So, hello everyone. So, the topic now we are going to discuss is Rappaport-Lubering cycle. So, name is very dangerous. The name is what's there in the name. Yeah, there is something in the name. In our medical science, we have to remember a lot by remembering the name. So, Rappaport starts with the letter. Where is my pen? Yeah, this is it. Rappaport starts with the letter N, so it occurs in RBCs. ये याद रखना है, simple thing. Rappaport, no matter how difficult is the name, but it is very simple to remember कि Rappaport-Lubering, it occurs in the RBCs. Now see here, it occurs in erythrocytes. I have given the color erythrocytes for RBCs. Now don't say 2,3 BPG is blue, that's why I am given blue. No, it's not like that. RBC is red color and these are RBCs. So erythrocyte Rappaport-Lubering cycle occurs in erythrocytes. Fine. ये MCQ questions है. This can change your life. If you are looking for a PG seat, 4 marks, you answer this 4 marks, you are way ahead hundreds of students and you make it to anywhere, any college in India. Fine. So ये याद रखना है, Rappaport-Lubering cycle occurs in the erythrocyte. So what is it's about? अभी Rappaport-Lubering cycle किस लिए है? What is its important? Rappaport-Lubering cycle is mainly concerned with production of 2,3-BPG. 2,3-BPG क्या है? bis phosphoglycerate. इसका प्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड है. तो अभी हमको याद रखना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट थिंग टू लर्न, आरबीसी सीख लिया हमने. वी हैव लर्नड आरबीसी. नाउ वी हैव टू रिमेंबर 2,3-BPG. Fine. In presence of 2,3-BPG, oxyhemoglobin unloads more oxygen to the tissues. Increase in erythrocyte 2,3-BPG seen in hypoxic condition. तो ये कब दिखा जाता है? तो you have to remember hypoxic condition, then high altitude, fetal tissues, and anemic condition. Please forgive my poor handwriting, but if I am able to express what I want to express, I think that is enough. If you understand what I am speaking, so that's enough. I think the more important thing is to understand. अगर आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया, then I would be really happy. ठीक है? तो it occurs in erythrocyte. R for RBC, R for erythrocytes. 2,3-BPG कहीं पे है, यहाँ पे याद करने का. R looks like, if we write this R like this, it will be like B, right? So we can say 2,3-BPG यहाँ पे. Remember that. Fine. और hypoxic condition, high altitude, ये आपको याद रखना है. Fine. Next we'll talk about little bit about glycolysis. So it is related to glycolysis. Glycolysis में क्या होता है? There are many steps, right? तो क्या होता है उसमें? Glucose is converted to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Not only one step, एक ग्लूकोज के बाद ग्लूकोज 6 फॉस्फेट बनता है, फ्रुक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट बनता है. तो मल्टीपल स्टेप्स आर देयर, बट हम अभी डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे चले जाते हैं. वी स्किप दो स्टेप्स एंड वी डायरेक्टली गो टू 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? 2 ATPs are used. Fine, 2 ATPs are used. So this is known as ATP utilization phase. आप ATP utilize, also known as rule of business. तो what do we mean by rule of business? से क्या मतलब होता है? That आप अगर in business, if you open a business, ठीक है, एक you have a fair price shop. ये shop है. This is forget my drawing. So this is a fair price shop. इसका टीना पे ऊपर में लिखा है फेयर प्राइस शॉप. फाइन. ठीक है, ये उसका दरवाजा है और इसका सीढ़ी है. ठीक है, दिस इज द वे टू ड्रॉ. हाँ, हम बचपन में थे तो ऐसे ड्रॉ करते थे. प्लीज डोंट माइंड दोस आर्टिस्ट एंड स्केच आर्टिस्ट देयर. सो दिस इज द वे आई यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ. सो if you want to start a business you need to invest. Okay, तो आपको इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, मे बी 50K, 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 5 lakh, whatever it is. And after you invest, you slowly क्या होता है, कस्टमर स्टार्ट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम राइट से भी आता है, लेफ्ट से भी आता है, चारों दिशा से आता है, ठीक है, कस्टमर्स कम, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट टू जनरेट रेवेन्यू. पर कभी does it ever happen that you have not invested anything and you start to generate revenue? हो सकता है, not impossible, but it's not very likely, right? So similarly in glycolysis जो पहले कुछ steps है इसमें ATPs are used. ATP production नहीं होता है, ATPs are not produced in the first few steps of glycolysis. याद रखो, बचपन से हम glycolysis पढ़ते हैं but we don't have idea of glycolysis. अच्छे से हमको पता नहीं चलता है कि glycolysis क्या है. तो हमेशा याद रखो, in the beginning stages ATPs are used. This is known as rule of business. Business में आपको इन्वेस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा. Without investment, no revenue. हाँ, तो इसी तरह यहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट करता है. 2 ATPs are यहाँ पे लिख दूं, 2 ATPs are used. ठीक है, फिर क्या होता है, 1,3B बिस फॉस्फोग्लाइसरेट के बाद आपका आफ्टर मल्टीपल स्टेप 3 फॉस्फोग्लाइसरेट और उसके बाद पायरुवेट फॉर्म हो जाता है. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड विल सी. अभी सब कारनामा, ऑल द कारनामा को क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? आई एम वेरी पोर इन इंग्लिश, प्लीज डोंट माइंड. नॉट पोर बट आई स्पीक मोर ऑफ हिंदी, जो भी है. सो see, this is all about Rappaport-Lewering cycle. तो क्या होता है in glycolysis, 1,3-BPG is directly converted to 3-phosphoglycerate. But in case of Rappaport-Lewering cycle, it takes another way. यहाँ से एक shunt लेता है, shunt other way. It gets converted to, ये जो 1,3-BPG है, it gets converted to 2,3-BPG. So what is the difference between 1,3-BPG and 2,3-BPG? Anyone can tell? No one can tell because I am alone speaking here. Who will tell? Anyway, I will only tell. So there is some mutation, right? 1,3 BPG अब 2,3 बन गया. So a enzyme by the name of mutase, bisphosphoglyceride mutase is used. ये आपको याद रखना है, पड़ेगा, जानना पड़ेगा. So mutase, ठीक है. Then 2-bisphosphoglyceride is produced. And now 2-bisphosphoglyceride is converted into 3-phosphoglyceride. तो यहाँ पे 2,3 था, now only 3. That means 1 phosphate group has been something problem with the light. Now it's better, I think. Some problem with the light. I think it's better now. So 2,3 phosphate से क्या हुआ है अभी? It's now only 3 phosphates. I think I should forget the light and concentrate more on teaching. Where to write? 2,3 phosphate से 3 phosphate हो गया. 1 phosphate is removed. और कौन सा एंजाइम रिमूव करेगा? Which enzyme? Phosphatase. 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Phosphatase is used to produce 3-phosphoglycerate. So this is all about Rappaport-Lewering cycle. तो इसमें कितना ATP प्रोड्यूस होता है? इन RBCs you know 2 ATPs are formed, पर यहाँ पे 2 ATPs are already utilized, so 0 ATPs are formed in RL shunt. ये आपको एग्जाम में आ सकता है. I'll go back to my previous slide and do some erasing. Erase all ink on slide. Yeah. तो RL shunt में क्या होता है? What to remember? Shunt और shunt में no ATPs are produced. ठीक है. फिर आपको 2,3-BPG आता है. 2,3-BPG Then what else? It occurs in RBCs. ठीक है, ये सारा चीजें आपको याद रखना है. And sometimes they might not give the option as 0 ना. बोल सकता है रापापोर्ट लिबरेशन में कितना एटीपी प्रोड्यूस होता है, तो दे माइट नॉट गिव 0. सो व्हेन दे डू नॉट गिव 0 यू शुड राइट इट एज 2 एटीपी, क्योंकि आरबीसी में 2 एटीपी इन ग्लाइकोलाइसिस ऑफ आरबीसी, of RBC 2 ATPs are produced and RNL shunt में 0. Okay, so this is all. Anything remaining? I don't think so. Yeah, one thing. This step I was telling. Let me delete this. Okay, so this step 1 3 BPG 2 3 phosphoglycerate is known as substrate level phosphorylation. Very tough, but anyway you have to remember. MDS crack करना है तो सब कुछ करना है. You have to give your best, even toughest of things you have to remember, and every day you should, toughest of things should be done with ease. Okay? If you have to crack MDS, you crack NEET PG, or if you have to crack any other entrance examination. So keep working hard, friends and students. Some of you are my friends, some of you are my students, and see you in the next class. I hope you liked this class, you are benefited by it. So please put in your comments if you are watching me on YouTube, and if you are in our app, then again put a comment and let me know what else you would like me to share with you. Fine, so do give a like and some comments. It will be really pleasing for me and it will encourage me to do better. Thank you so much.